Yes, students. Next topic is to find minors and cofactors of the determinant. Actually, we are doing this. We are finding the minors, but now because the name is minor, you want to know what is minor. When I'll explain you, you will understand. Oh, it is that only what ma'am has told. Now, suppose this is my first element. So this is, if I write A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So these are all AIJs. What is I? I stands for row and J stands for column. So this is IJ. Now if I want to find the minor of 1. So what is 1? Is 1, 1. So it is Mij is equal to, it is Ij. So depends on which row, which column you are taking. So suppose if I am taking M12. Where is M12? Is A12. So I have to find the minor. This is means minor of A12. This means this. Now how to get minor of A12? Means this and this get cancelled. Whatever left you need to write that way. So if I am finding minor of A12 as it is A21, A23, A31, A33. Now same thing, if I want to find with this, where is my A12? This is my A12, 2 is my A12. So my answer will be 4, 6, 7 and 9. If I solve this, 4 9s are 36, minus 7 6 are 42, so it is minus 6. So this is minor of 1, 2. For example, if I want to find minor of 2, 3. What is minor of 2, 3? Is minor of A23. Now what is A23? A23 here. So cancel that column, cancel that row. So what is left? It's A11, A12, A31, A32. Now what is the element A23 here? It is 6. Element is 6. So I should not write 6 here because we are finding minor of 6. I can write here minor of 6. So where is 6? So cancel this column, cancel this row. So you get 1, 2, 7 and 8. So it is 8 minus 14. What is 8 minus 14? Is minus 6. So this way you can find minors of other. Quickly we'll find one more minor. So if I find minor 3, 1. So it is minor of A31. So it is minor of 7. Directly if I am finding minor of 7, so cut this column, cut this row, you get 2, 3, 5 and 6. And that is equal to 12 minus 15 equals to minus 3. So I hope you understood what we mean by minors. So minors is done. Now we go to cofactors. What do we mean by cofactors? It is almost same. So cofactors is Cij. Suppose if I want to find cofactor of, here only same, cofactor of A12. So how to find? Somewhere it is used Cij, somewhere you can use capital A also. It depends on you. You can use capital A, you can use capital C, it depends on that. So cofactors of A12. Now how to get cofactors? Cofactors, the special formula is, you need to write minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. It's minus 1 to the power I plus j n I j. Minus 1 to the power I plus j into minor of ij. Now minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into minor of a12. What is minor of a12? We have found minus 6. So what is minus 1 to the power 3 is minus, and minus 6 you get plus 6. Next, if I want to find cofactor of a23, means minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 into minor to 3. So what is this? Minus 1 to the power 5. What is minor of 2, 3? It is minus 6 again. So minus 1 to the power 5 is minus of minus 6. This is equal to plus 6. This way we can find the cofactors of each element, minors of each element. Now cofactors of any element is very, very important to find the inverse of a given matrix. Okay, thank you children.